Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll introduce a practical self-study book called 20 Chapters to Learn English Faster and show you how you can learn English faster, share the book with others, and even earn money when someone buys a copy through you. Let's get started. 20 Chapters to Learn English Faster is a compact self-study system that teaches essential grammar and writing in simple language. It's designed to take learners from basic sentence building all the way to confident writing, with a clear roadmap that starts with parts of speech and moves toward essays, letters, and professional writing. It's built for learners who want results without confusing jargon. A few features make this book especially helpful. It explains the logic behind rules in plain English, gives step-by-step progress from words to essays, and is designed for self-study, so you can learn at your own pace on a phone or Kindle. Plus, every buyer gets access to an exclusive WhatsApp support group where a designated teacher answers doubts, basically a pocket tutor when you get stuck. The book is available in 2 Kindle editions, an English edition and a Hindi edition, so learners who prefer Hindi explanations can use that edition too. Links to both editions are on the book page and in the description below. Now the exciting part, 99 Learners has an Earn While You Learn program. If you buy the book and then help someone else buy it, you can earn money for each sale you make. It's simple. Learn the book, share it with people who want to improve their English, and earn a commission for every sale. Here's how the payout works. Important to understand clearly. First, you buy any edition for 199 Indian rupees. After you make at least one sale, that 199 Indian rupees initial purchase amount is refunded back to you. For each sale you make, you receive a 55 Indian rupees commission. So for your first sale, you get 199 Indian rupees refund, plus 55 Indian rupees commission equals 254 Indian rupees in total. For every subsequent sale, you earn 55 Indian rupees each. The simple calculation is this: 10 sales equals 199 Indian rupees refund, plus 550 Indian rupees commission equals 749 Indian rupees total. 100 sales equals 199 Indian rupees refund, plus 5,500 Indian rupees commission, plus a bonus equals 6,199 Indian rupees. For more details, see on the site 99learners.in. The process to get started is straightforward. 1. Buy the English or Hindi Kindle edition from the Amazon links given on the site. 2. Read the book for a couple of days so you can speak about it confidently. 3. Write a helpful review on Amazon. 4. Send your request to become a seller along with your Amazon order number via the WhatsApp link on the Earn page. After verification, you get a seller ID, and you can start collecting order numbers from customers you refer to claim commissions. The site explains each step in detail. A few important notes from the program. The initial 199 Indian rupees is held until your first sale to ensure commitment, and earnings are held for 30 days to protect against refunds. The program is primarily for customers in India. Also, tracking uses Amazon order numbers from your referred customers, so collect those order numbers from them. Read the Earn page carefully before you join. If you want a short pitch to share with friends, try this. Hey, I found a short self-study book called 20 Chapters to Learn English Faster. It explains grammar simply and includes WhatsApp support. If you buy it, I'll help you with any doubts, and if you use my recommendation, I'll get a small commission that helps me keep sharing useful resources. Be honest, show the book page. That's it. Learn, share and earn. Read the book, help someone else learn, and earn 55 Indian rupees per sale, 254 Indian rupees on your first confirmed sale because of the refund. I put the book links in the description below. Check them out. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more English learning tips and updates about helpful resources. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.